Right, so last time we talked about a link. So basically, it's like a hyperlink. Let me just gently, how to do that? Okay, I may just go to like a stock. Let's just rerun that again. So basically, you just make a link, and you got the URL as a destination, and you can just click and open the default browser and automatically jump to that specific URL. Okay, so basically something like this. We got like a button, and you click it, will bring out the default browser and go to the URL. Just the input, right? Code was William Jimmy. And yeah, this is by the way, this is my Patreon page. So yeah, right now I'm just for $3 and you can like download all the codes and projects, and you can use that commercially. Okay, it's constantly updating, and yeah, so you know how to get the link, and let's make it like more interesting. Okay, so right now it's just a VStack with a link. What about I want something more. So for example, what about a shared link? So a shared link, basically it will give you a so for example, if you got like an amazing app for news, you want a user to look your news and want to share that, right? So you can get something like this. So share link with a specific item URL, and this is the URL that you want to share. Right now, let me just replace this with my amazing Patreon page, so you guys can actually see the sharing results. Yeah, copy that, Command and C, and Command V. Right. So if you rerun that, let's go back to here. Just wait a bit, it's still building. If your computers are like pretty slow like me, you can look at here. It will just give you the like a process of how your app is installing, building, something like that. Okay, so yeah, you got a page like this. Okay, so if you wait long enough, you should be able to see the two links, and I'm not seeing that, which is pretty weird. Okay, okay, it's here, my Patreon page, and there should be a share link, which I'm not seeing. That's pretty weird. Okay, definitely it's because my computers are like really slow. Right now you got my Patreon page and you got a share, right? So if you click this, it will cannot issue a sandbox extension of this okay, gesture, get timeout, all that. Because basically you're gonna share this. All that is what happens at the back end. Okay, so basically you want to share to say reminder or more. You can get like more options for you to share. It's like a URL page, basically just a URL. Okay, get more from all that. Let me just try reminder. Okay, so you automatically got paste that got the URL, paste that to the reminder page. So you